First, go to any browser and type a Gemini google.com and sign in your Gmail account. After opening Gemini, hello, which day today? Today is the December, is coming to the output. How to help Gemini voice is how to helpful to the students to project work. This is all are coming this much. I will improve presentation skills, student help the voice Gemini, announce, create, express, and developing creating nativity, accessibility including, and conducting interviews, analyzing data, and ethics, use teacher guide. These all are features. Please show latest Yamaha vehicle image. You observe this image also there. Is most useful. I am which location is now? I am which location is now? This much features are available in this Google Gemini. So many features also available. You try to Gemini Advanced, you can pay the 2 TB storage facility, and is the 1950 rupees per month. The most features are also there. Hi, welcome to back my channel Tech Dev. Today is dividing into the groundbreaking world Gemini, the next big lab in AI invitation, where you are tech enthusiastic, just crush about how AI is transform our lives. This video is you. Stick around is the breakdown Gemini's incredible features and its potential and why it is gaming changer. Call. Let us get started. Key features of Pilot. It is the advanced architecture and LLM capability. It is the art of Google Gemini lies with advanced architecture. It builds of Google Sears research in machine learning and natural language and NLPL. With Gemini, Google AMs provide even more refined conversions, AI experience, address limitation, previous language models, and expanded potential application of AI. Tasking capability. One of the most important upgrade Gemini brings is its ability to handle multitasking process. Several queries or tasks are simultaneously the significant improvement of the previous models where single thread tasks dominated. Gemini is designing the pairs multiple inputs handling complex query in parallel, making it for more efficiency in processing real-time information, handling conversion, and preparing multitask at once. Fine-tune NLP is the natural language understanding. The Google has significant enhanced natural language understanding. Is short form is NLU. In Gemini Refine, it is ability to compare and the generating human languages, but raise cutting edge transfer based architecture. Gemini process contents more effectively, which makes response more accurate and just continuously where modules can now better understanding notched queries. experience to ambiguous paras, offering more precise human-like interactions. Increasing training data and scaling. Google has utilized mass data and trained Gemini, surprising the procedure in scale of the extensive including drives, languages, source, making a module high velocity across the multiple domains and industry. The result is AI performance well not just for common everyday conversion but also special fields such as healthcare, legal service, scientific research and more. It is the multimodal capability. It stand features Google Gemini is a multimodal capability which is response significantly forward in the AI development. Unlike traditional AI models that familiar process text, multimodals like a Gemini are capably integrated in understanding multiple forms input including text and image, audio and potential video. The text image processing Gemini exclusively combat text and image input enable more dynamic and interactive users experience. For example, user can be now upload image along with text query, receiving context awareness and response. This could be useful fields such as e-commerce, helping users find productions by producing images, educational purpose, explain visual concept and healthcare purpose and analyzing medical images along with patient note. Gemini's image understanding capability make high velocity not a only it can generate images, captions, but can also describe visual scenes, depth, interactive chart, and diagram, and even help users identify objective people photographs. The audio processing of this Gemini. This is ability to integrated audio as input another exciting aspects. Gemini's multimodal feature set. Gemini can be listened, spoken commands, and transcript audio content and to text and response accordingly. This will powerful application accessible stand user with visual implementation, customer services automation and real-time transcription services. Google Gemini's audio processing capability will also benefit industry like a broadcasting, music productions and media analyzing where the module can analyze the generating into from audio content. Multimodal integrated enhanced user experience. The combination of text imagination the audio input allows for the rich and more seamless interaction between humans and AI image potential education where students could ask multimodal questions providing both text and image. It received detailed explanation integrated both form or input. The same applies industrial like engineers via complex diagrams and text-based specifications can be analyzed together. Commercial improvement and personalized. Google Gemini conversion ability have been greater enhanced making it is once the most interactive and user-friendly AI models with a great focus providing interactive, natural and personalized response. Gemini talks AI conversion to the next level. The context reaction across long conversions. One of the challenge with these early AI models was the maintaining context across long conversions. Often a user was following up the questions reference early parts of the discussing models struggle to keep up leading this joint responses. Google Gemini addressed these issues, improving memory and context reactions mechanism. It can better track conversational threads, ensuring that following of questions receiving relevant and answers based on ongoing dialogues. dynamic personalize of this Gemini. This Google has also focused enhanced personalized Gemini, analyzing users' requirements a bit for interaction of the Gemini can be generate response of the more prior individual users where it is the stunting specifications based user behavior adapting the tool. Response provides specialization information along with the user's feed. Interactive Gemini personalized capability ensure more engaged experience, personalized experience in digital like a customer service where AI agents provided by Gemini can be trolled assistant, improving customer satisfaction while reducing response time and also immense data. The another significant advertisement Gemini ability detecting response emotions by analyzing segment conversion for instance of if users express Gemini may be adapt its response to become more empathetic and support. This open up the new possibilities of mentally health applications, custom support and human AI interactions, deeper emotional level. The integrated Google ecosystem. This Google Gemini is designing integrated seamless across the Google extensions, ecosystem, servers and services product. This make AI model high accessibility useful across the range. Application from search to the smart assistant productivity tool. It could serve the Google search, which is the advanced language understanding multimodal capability. Gemini has the potential to the revolutionary Google search. Instead of medical response to text-based queries, Gemini can handle complex multiple input questions. For example, users could search using combination of text and image, get more refined and accurate result. Additional Gemini ability generating email-like response will feature enhanced feature snippet in the question answer section. Google search result. Google Assistant. This Google Assistant. Gemini's conversational improvement and personalized features will also elevate Google's Assistant to the new level by understanding context better and providing more relevant response. Gemini can be offer more natural language, engaging experience for users interacting with their smart devices. The assistant will be able to handle more complex follow-up the questions and integrate multiple forms, inputs, and real-time including voice command, Google Cloud AI solutions. The next feature for the business and developers, Gemini's capability are expected be accessible through the Google Cloud's AI and machine learning tools. This will allow organizers to build powerful AI-driven solutions driven by their specified needs from autonomous customers interaction, analyzing multimedia data. Gemini can improve our business, unlock full potential of a real world application, competitive position and application across the industries. This Google Gemini is post compete direct with the other major AI model, particular OpenAI, GTP4 and any future versions of GTP with GTP4 has set high standards in the AI world. Gemini's multimodal capabilities for continuously understanding and seamless integrated Google's product give its unique advantage. The next feature of this Google Gemini, healthcare. In the healthcare industry, Gemini ability to handle text, image, and potential audio making it is an individual tool. Doctors could upload medical images, provide patient history, and receive details insight, helping diagnostic and treatment planning. The conversational improvement will also make Gemini useful to telemedicine with patients to doctor can communicate more effectively. The content create and media. It is another feature of the utilizing the media peoples. This the Gemini. This Gemini content generation capability make an essential for the writer, journalists and content creators by providing personalized and content aware suggestions. Gemini can add drafting articles, generating reports, and even producing creating. Moreover, its ability to processing image and text together particularly useful for graphic designing and medical professionals who need to generate detailed captions or visual content description. The Gemini customer services. This customer service including services Gemini enhance conversational ability, emotion detection and multitasking make us deal for creating intelligent chatbots and virtual assistant. The system can handle complex customer query, understanding following of questions and offer personalized solution, dramatically improving efficiency. This Gemini features then are covered in with my knowledge. The conclusion of this final topic, the Google Gemini response significantly leap forward technology AI, blending advanced language models with multimodal capabilities suppress conversational intelligence by integrating seamless to Google's ecosystem. The offering high professionalized user experience, Gemini is the setup how business professionals and everyday users interact with AI, whereas across in the industry like healthcare, media, and customer service demonstrated potential became a trend force. AI landscape as the next generation AI model continuously allow Google Gemini standard out of powerful tool, designing bring futures AI closer reality. Please subscribe my Tech Dude channel. Please like, please share, please comment. Thanking you once again, your Tech Dude. And image.